So we're going to do a grilled peach salad. First thing is to get the peaches cut in half. Now, that happened very easily because I've selected ripe peaches. If the peaches are not ripe, this is almost impossible to do. So select ripe peaches. For the salad, I'm going to do some shaved fennel. All right. Ooh, these shallots are pungent. No joke. Okay. Oh. Wow. That was fun. So I'm going to cover them with a little lemon juice or vinegar, acid, something that just kind of kills the sharpness. In this case, I'm going to do a little bit of lemon. Then I'm going to get some red wine vinegar and put it over there as well. Just salt. And I'll let these soak and sit for about half an hour to kind of take the edge off of them. Lightly pickled. All right, so we got some peaches. I've just tossed them lightly in olive oil and they're going right on the grill. The idea is not really to cook them, but just get some grill marks on them and take on a little bit of smoky flavor. All right, so we're gonna put together the arugula salad now. So I've got my grilled peaches. Again, they're just got some grills, got some smoky flavor on them, but they're not cooked all the way through. They're not mushy. They still have some firmness to them. Quarter them to nice chunks. Nice bite-sized pieces. All right. So I've got our shaved fennel here. Dress that into there. I've got our pickled shallots here. I've also added some sherry vinegar to this, so that's going to be the dressing, basically. There's the Meyer lemon juice, the pickled shallots, and that. So a little extra of the vinegar. I'm going to season this slightly. Salt and a light drizzle of olive oil. Toss in the bowl. Taste for seasoning. That was great. Salad, it goes down. The heavy stuff tends to fall to the bottom, so you can put it all neatly on top. And last but not least, I'll shave some Manchego all over this.